Alright, start those engines. Alright, so Matthew and I, this vlog is actually dedicated towards Matthew Youngkite. He's the one who got me to vlog. Not Gabe, not Samson, not even my girlfriend Katie, but Matthew Youngkite. He's the one who got me to vlog, so thank him. Yeah, Matthew and I, we're about to go watch some fireworks at Indianola. I'll get some drone footage of that, so that should be pretty fun. And I hope you guys have a great America night, Patriots Day, Mel Gibson Day, whatever you want to call it. Enjoy the show. Have a good night. Merry Christmas. I love you all. If this gets 100 views, I'll start vlogging more.
Just hit refresh.
Yeah, hit refresh. Not really. I don't like vlogging, so please don't watch this video. Good night.
Oh, Gloria, I feel so much better. I feel so much better today. And it's not the drugs and it's not the weather. I just feel so much better today. I've been asleep in the driver's seat. I've been lost in my head for weeks, trying to find what it is I need. Too goddamn tired to sleep. And then there are other times I'm so aware that I lose my mind and never feel like I get enough. So high that I can't stand up.
Alright, Matt and I were just waiting for the show to start. It's the casino show, so that should be pretty good. Hopefully the cops don't come and yell at us for me flying my drone, but it should be okay. Yeah, it's a pretty calm night out here. It's really fun, so definitely glad I escaped my house, escaped Netflix to come out here, so thank you. Just waiting for my drone to warm up.
All the lights in front of me, drive till the coast is clear, faster till it disappears.
I launched it and the drone said aircraft voltage like low or whatever, descending. I had no control of it. I was watching my drone fly towards the water. Matthew took the boat, drove it underneath, ran up here, and he caught the drone while he was moving, and he like barely caught it.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I almost lost my drone. Home sweet home. Oh, you're home. My second home.